4 chefs, 3 courses, only 1 chance to win. The challenge: create an unforgettable meal from the mystery items hidden in these baskets before time runs out. Time's up. One by one, they must face the dreaded chopping block.
You have been chopped.
Who will win the $10,000 prize? And who will be chopped? There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. And you have Asian long beans, red jalapeno peppers, calvados, and escargot. Only 20 minutes for the appetizer round, starting now.
I think I could win because I've been practicing and thinking about this for months.
Is there can openers?
I incorporate cornmeal. I'm going to add some bacon to it, a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I also add fresh thyme to give it a floral note.
I know how to cook, and I damn well know how to make desserts. I love bean salads, so I'm gonna make a light salad with New Orleans-style vinaigrette.
It's very intimidating, but I'm gonna try the best I can. I want to do a salad because I think it's a great way to counterbalance the richness of the snails. And I'm gonna make a crostini to add crunch.
Right away, sausage kicked in my mind. It adds another dimension to the escargot. And I'm gonna put that on a bed of creamy polenta.
So I'm gonna shave Granny Smith on a mandolin to bring an acidity to the dish.
30 seconds, chefs.
But I really don't have much time left for presentation, so I run to the refrigerator to grab some frisee, just get it on the plate as a garnish.
In just seconds, you must stop work. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef David.
What you have in front of you is a mixed grain salad with a roasted red jalapeno vinaigrette, some sautéed escargot that have been deglazed with a little calvados, and some shaved Granny Smith apples.
I got excited when I saw you roasting the jalapeno. It actually shows really prevalently with the flavor on the salad dressing.
Next up, Chef Missy.
This is a spinach, long bean, and pickled jalapeno salad. The escargot are sautéed and then deglazed with calvados, and it's served with a toasted baguette.
Well, I like the fact that you dressed the salad very generously. You need a lot of that moisture from the vinaigrette on the crouton, and the pickling of the jalapeno was a nice.
Next, we go to Chef John.
In front of you today, you have a spicy escargot, Chinese long bean, and bacon fritter with a calvados cream reduction and a little garnish of frisee.
It took some bravado, and the fritter itself was well fried. You know, one of the concerns was that when we were watching you fry them, it wouldn't be cooked all the way through. But these were well fried, which was a nice execution.
Thank you.
Chef Frank.
Today we have a snail and sausage ragu with creamy polenta, Chinese long bean, and red jalapeno.
Out of all the dishes, this is the one that I taste the calvados in. It gives it that sweet acidity that I think is really great for the polenta.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef John, you've been chopped. Chef David, Chef Missy, Chef Frank, please open your baskets for the all-important entree round. And you have ground lamb, Stilton cheese, Chinese eggplant, and birch syrup. 30 minutes for this round, starting now.
I'm gonna make lamb and Stilton meatballs over an eggplant ragu.
So I'm planning on doing lamb and Stilton meatballs, mushroom long grain rice, and sauteed Chinese eggplant. Come on, buddy.
So I'm gonna make lamb meatballs, sautéed Chinese eggplant with the warm Stilton cream sauce.
This dish is coming along great. I finished the meatballs in the oven, and I want to lay down a bed of eggplant, put the rice right along top of it, and then I want to stack my meatballs right on top of that. Presentation lends itself to the taste buds. You eat with your eyes first in a lot of ways, you know?
Chefs, only 2 minutes left.
I pull the pizza out of the oven, and I add the birch syrup to balance the stilton as a finishing element.
1 minute left on the clock, chefs.
Missy starts to cut the pizza.
Oh, boy.
I'm cutting it.
Time flies when you're getting it done, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
Wow.
Chef Missy, what have we here?
I have a lamb meatball stuffed with stilton over an eggplant ragu. On the side is a stilton and birch syrup flatbread.
Well, you had us on the edge of our seats there with that flatbread.
We were all worried about it, but this came out successful.
Chef Frank,
Today, I prepared for you stilton meatballs, eggplant futon, long grain mushroom rice, and the sauce is heavy cream reduced with birch syrup.
I'm sorry, Frank, I didn't mean to cut you up, but where's the futon?
Well, it's underneath the rice.
Is it good for my back?
It might be.
last entree, Chef David.
Yes, what you have before you is seared lamb meatballs, topped with a pine nut and birch syrup brittle, sauteed Japanese eggplant, and it's finished with a stilton cream sauce.
I think you were able to create texture from the pine nuts, and I thought it was a very smart way to use the birch syrup.
Thank you.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef David, you've been chopped. Chef Missy, Chef Frank, this is the home stretch, the dessert round.
I was looking forward to going up against David because he was talking all day about pastry. I only got little Missy in front of me, so I should be in the clear.
Frank's been in the business almost as long as I've been alive, but definitely not gonna give up now.
Please open your baskets. You must use coconut water, garnet yams, Thai basil, and roasted noodles. You'll have 30 minutes to craft your desserts, starting now.
I'm just so thrilled that I made it this far. It would mean so much to me to pull this off. I've had Thai rice pudding, so I'm gonna make a rice pudding with the garnet yams and the Thai basil.
I think I'm gonna do yam cream and a syrup of Thai basil and coconut water.
And chefs, this is your 2-minute warning.
I'm just working on pure adrenaline right now. Frank's making dessert pasta. I'm shocked that that's the direction he chose to go, but if it works, it might push him over the edge to win.
I like pushing the boundaries of what food can be. There's not many things in this world that you can do that with. I want to throw some Thai basil in with the pasta to add a little sweetness.
This is a pasta with basil and sugar and olive oil.
We have to approach this with an open mind.
1 minute left, chefs.
Oh, I'm really done.
It looks like Missy is taking it easy over there.
This is the first round where I finish early, so I awkwardly stand around hoping that it's good enough to win.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Frank.
I did a Thai basil noodle with garnet yam cream and coconut water syrup.
It's definitely a very innovative use of the basket ingredients, and I think that the puree is really quite delicious.
Chef Missy, what have we here?
This is Thai basil rice pudding with the garnet yams and coconut water with a roasted noodle brittle.
I think the rice is cooked nicely. It's not overly sweet, and the spices that you use is balanced, so I can get the flavor of the garnet yam, which is nice.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Frank, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Missy Corey, that you are the chopped champion and $10,000 richer.
Very good. Congratulations.
I can't believe it.